Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. This is today's client, yes, and I am excited because I'm doing one of my favorite styles to do, the crochet braids. Yes, as you guys saw from the title, I am doing a crochet braid using the Kima Ocean Wave hair. Yes, and I'm going to be showing you guys a particular technique. Yes, and so I've already started my process. I'm actually doing the braids at this point, which is the foundation of the style, and of course by request I'm doing the braid pattern that allows for the client to pull up the hair in a ponytail if she so chooses. Yeah, I have many other videos with this technique. This video is not about showing you the braid pattern, but I will definitely go ahead and link below another video that shows in more detail the pattern. All right, so let's just get that completed. And once that's completed, we will get into the meat of the matter, which is me showing you guys the particular technique that helps you to prevent your crochet hair from slipping. All right, so I'm doing a beehive at this point. Yes, other than braiding the edges upward, I have opted to do the beehive braid pattern instead of braiding the hair back. And so this also helps to give the hair more coverage and fullness and avoid having those noticeable gaps if the hair shifts. You understand what I'm saying? All right, so let's finish this up and we will be back. All right, so now that the braiding has been completed, I'm just trying to tuck away the tail of the braid so that we don't have it exposed and everything is just nicely and neatly finished. All right, so here we have it. Yes, our beehive and our full braid pattern is complete. All right, so now I'm prepping the hair. Like I said before, it's the Kima Ocean Wave. Yes, and I'm just separating the hair in advance so that it's easier to work with it. I'm using this hair spool thingy to hold the hair before I start the braiding, and I just find this easier to do as opposed to picking off the pieces one by one. All right, so now I'm just going in with my crochet tool and pulling the hair through. And I am knotting the hair as I usually would with any crochet style. But for this particular hair, I have to do an additional step because this hair sometimes will slip. And so in addition to knotting the hair 3 times, I'm just pinching off 2 pieces from either side of the hair and making an additional knot like 2 times. Let's do that again. So attaching the hair like I usually would, putting the hair on the tool, pulling it through. I'm making 1, 2, 3 knots, tightening the hair to make sure it's very secure. Then I'm picking off a tiny piece of hair over one side and a tiny piece on the other side. And then I just go ahead and knot that a few times, and trust me, there will be no movement. You could pull and tug and do whatever you want to do. It's not going anywhere. It won't be moving. And that is a trick that I have, been learning, and that's a trick that I have been applying to my styles in order to prevent any slippage. So on this crochet here, I'm showing you the fact that if I did not do the securing technique that I have been doing so far, how easily it will be for the hair to loosen and potentially slip out. And yeah, and so of course I'm gonna go ahead and do that one extra step. And guys, this does take a little bit more time than the style usually would, because to be knotting each of these crochet braids individually with this extra knotting process, it does take some extra time. But guess what, it's better to get it done properly than just doing the regular knots and then having issues where your style is slipping. It's nothing more embarrassing than to be going along your merry way, going about your merry business, and have somebody stop you like, hey girl, is that your hair on the floor? Yeah, that's not a good look. So we're not going to do that. All right, so let's just take the time and do what we have to do. Okay. All right, so as you guys can see, I have pretty much done most of the installation. And guys, look at the texture of this hair. That is one of the reasons why I absolutely love the Kima Ocean Wave, because of the texture of the hair. It is not shiny at all, and you don't want your crochet hair to be very shiny, because then it looks like obviously fake. You don't want your hair to look obviously fake. Not that you're gonna try to trick somebody into believing that it's your hair, but at the same time, the more natural looking, the better it is. All right. So I started the process of doing my invisible part. Yes, installing the hair right at that parting area in the middle, and I'm doing two invisible or two knotless partings for this look, just so that she can switch it up if she so chooses. And so I'm working on the middle one now. Again, I will not be focusing on that for this video, but if I do come across one of my other videos, I think I recently did one, yeah, so I will try to link that video down below, showing you how you do a invisible part or a knotless part. All right, Like I mentioned in my last video, for each video I will try to zero in on one particular technique that I want you guys to focus on. So for today's technique, it's how to prevent your crochet hair from slipping easily. All right, so everything else is just a part of the process, but the focus is on the anti-slipping technique. And she wanted her style to be in a bob, so I am just cutting it so that she has the desired length that she wants for the look. And again, I'm not going to focus on the cutting portion of the video because that's not what we're focusing on, and I don't want you guys to be bored with the whole process of it. But you guys will definitely see the finished look, which is the pièce de résistance. Okay, so stay tuned for the finished look. Yes, and there we have it, the finished look. We are all done with the cut and everything, and she was super duper pleased with the way the hairstyle turned out, and I was in love with the curl pattern of the ocean wave Kima ocean wave crochet hair. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Yes. And let's go in for a double take. Yes, again, this is a finished look, and we just style it with a side part for today, but again, she has the option to do a middle part if she so chooses. So pretty much that is it for the style, you guys. And for the versatility, yes, as you can see, if she chose, she can also pull it up in a ponytail and it wouldn't look shabby at all. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for making it Natural Hair Dynamics. Remember to share the videos and comment down below and let me know if this is a style that you would rock. And until next time, on next Wednesday, stay tuned and we will talk. Be safe, be blessed. Peace.